G'day guys, my name's Taz. This is Dizzy. It's come a long way, looks really narrow, tank looks fantastic, really happy with it, but taking the tank off you lose the speedo and the idiot lights. The idiot lights I'm not really worried about, but the speedo, it's nice to avoid a speeding fine. So I've bought this. It's two separate items. It's a handlebar clamp for a 1-inch handlebar, and it's a eBay cable driven speedo. It does have connectivity to sort of connect it up and get it to light up, but I'm going to remove that and we're going to install it somewhere there, and hopefully that takes care of the metering for Dizzy. Let's get into it. Okay, just going to cut them off, remove that, zip tied the speedo cable just to the handlebars to get it up out of the way so I could test ride it. Just clear that out of the way. There's going to be plenty of room. So, there. There's the speedo mounted there. Looks pretty cool. Won't really know whether it works until we take it out on the road, guys, so we'll wait for the weather to clear up and then we'll put our gear on and then we'll go for a ride. Be right back with you.
G'day guys. Just out doing a shakedown ride on Dizzy. There he is there. Looks superb. Really happy with him. The tank's come up an absolute treat. You can see the patina just fits the bike really very well. The scuffed up rear fender, again, I think it fits the bike really nicely. It's rigid. All this just removes a lot of weight, makes the bike far more nippy, far more peppy than what it was stock. I've installed an eBay Speedo, just got 140 km/h one. Top speed of this bike somewhere around that, so no need to be extravagant. Just looks cool. No point putting a 240 or a 300 kilometre an hour speedo on a bike that only does 140. Then you get more swing of the needle. Looks cool. More importantly than the speedo, it's got odometer on it, and that's going to help me work out the range of the bike. I predict it's going to be somewhere around 160 kilometers, but we will see. I'll do a whole bunch of short rides first rather than a long one. I could just ride it until I run out, but I didn't bring any fuel, so I'll just do a couple of short rides and fill it up, make a note, short ride, fill it up, make a note, etc., just to work out what the range is. Fire them up. There's 100. That's the speed limit on this road. Indicated. One day I might get out my phone and work out how accurate it is. But it feels about right. Is just so much more peppy with all the weight taken off it. Yes, it's been rejetted, yada yada, but it's also probably had 30-35 kilograms pulled off it, and it seems to make all the difference, not only in the pep, but how flickable, how nimble it is. Speedo install a success, guys. Looks great. Indicates speed, clocks miles. Not much more to say. My name's Alright Jazz. Till I see you next time, I'm out.
Uh-huh.